with my boots and my pants on because you need the appropriate attire to weed eat. We're going to start off with the fence line, and then we're going to work our way over here to the fallen treehouse where the grass is like a jungle. Okay, let's hope it works, you guys. That was it. That's all it did. It really didn't work at all. I don't know if it's because the zip ties are real thin. We're going to go ahead and buy thicker zip ties to see if maybe that'll work. But as far as the 8-inch, 20-centimeter clear zip ties that you can get at the H-E-B, it didn't work. It was a fail. It came apart really quickly, and as you can see at the grass, it really didn't cut very much. You could actually see the trail where I sort of made it over there, but it didn't make it very far. So I guess those are a fail, guys. That's a big old fail right there.